Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and installing the Chromecast with Google TV. Let's get started. We'll first have to remove the plastic wrapper. Let's remove the device and see how it looks. Okay, let's remove the control. It looks a little smaller than I was expecting, but it feels okay in the hand. Let's see what else is in the box. There is a Let's Get Started manual, the USB as well as the end to plug in the wall, and some batteries for the remote. Okay, let's get this installed in the television. I'm going to be attaching the device to my HDMI 2 area, and then I'm going to use the USB end to connect to the device, and then the other end to connect to my USB port. Okay, let's get this placed back on the mount and let's start up the television. Okay, so we're gonna press the back and home button so that the Chromecast detects the remote. Select English, United States. At this point, you're gonna be loading up Google Home. If you don't have it, then you need to download it from the App Store. Then you're gonna select Setup Device, New Device. Select Home, click Next. It's now looking for the device. Click Next. It's going to ask permission to use your camera. Click OK and then scan your QR code. It will detect the device. Click Accept. Agreed. Select Show on Home. Select your internet provider. Okay, click Continue. Click OK. It will load up a validation inside of YouTube. Click Yes. And then go back, uncheck Help Improve Chromecast. Click Accept. Click Continue. Allow. Continue. Turn on. Click Next. Select Voice 1. Well, I picked Voice 1. No thanks. Next. No, not now. Next. Okay, now you're gonna just have to wait for everything to install on the Chromecast. And once it is installed, you'll see the UI load up on your screen. I'm gonna speed this up in the interest of time. Now that the UI is loaded, you are able to log into all of the streaming services that you are subscribed to. Guys, I think you'd like the next video. Smash that like button if you found this content helpful. Subscribe for more home related installs and reviews. Peace.